He's doing it again. What the fuck? He's getting all in that shit. Dude, get the fuck off. Go somewhere, you fucking perv. Go somewhere. You need to sit the fuck down. Go the fuck. Let's go Xenon break.